Enterprise Maven repository architecture in Maven. As the Enterprise Maven repository architecture, with the Maven dependency management works in a majority of cases. It poses few problems with an enterprise environment. The first problem is that the sharing comparative artifact between items is not possible because of the security and intellectual property concerns. You wouldn't want to publish your enterprise artifact on Maven Central. Another problem concerns legal and licensing issues. Your company might want the teams only to use official approved open source software, and this architecture, that previous architecture, the Maven dependency management architecture would not fit for that model. The final issue is concern the bandwidth and download speeds. In times of heavy load on Maven Central, the download speed of Maven artifact are reduced, and this might have a negative impact on your builds. Hence, the most enterprise employ the architecture shown here. Internal repository manager act as a proxy to remote repositories. This allows you to cache artifact from remote repositories, resulting in faster artifact downloads and build performance improvement. Because you have full control over internal repository, you can regulate types of artifact allowed in your company. Additionally, you can also push your organization's artifact onto the repository manager, thereby enabling collaboration. There are several open source repository managers. For example, the Nexus repository OSS, Apache Archiva, Artifactory open source. Using new repositories. In order to use a new repository, you need to modify your settings .xml file. Here you can see Spring repository and Maven Central and JBoss repository are connected to repository manager via internet and jar. Here the repository manager is connected to Maven, and Maven interacts with local repository, and Maven and local repository are in local, and local and repository manager are in the corporate networking. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.